Hello, welcome to another video. So in this video we will learn how we can create primary tabs in Drupal. And if you don't know what is primary tabs, so you can see here, if you visit to your user section, you can see there is two tabs, view and edit. Similar tabs you can also find while visiting your node page. So if you are logged in from admin user, then you can see edit or delete tab in your node as well. So here I can show you, I have two pages. So one is like a form where I can fill some data and submit, and another is a listing for the same. So this data is actually coming from MongoDB. I have created a MongoDB one of my video. I will show you how to integrate MongoDB Atlas with your Drupal instance. But for now, in this video, I will show you how you can create primary tabs. So let's begin with going to your custom module. So in your custom module, you should create one file which should be module name, which is in our case memo dot links dot task dot yml. This file this file you need to create here, and here we need to specify the tabs. Okay, so for specifying the tab, first we need to understand from which route it is coming, our page, from which route our page is coming. So if we visit in our routing file, we can see here this is for the listing and this is for the page. So first we will copy this route name, and here we will put the route name, and in route name, now you have to give the route name again, and this time this route will be where do you want to display this route. Okay, so in our case we are going to display here, and what will be the title. So in title we can say Mongo collection, we can see, and base route, there is you need to define base route, and in base route you can define where you want to display by default. Okay, so here also I will put this same route, because my primary focus is to display the tab here in this page. So I mention again it here. Next we will create another menu tab. So this will be the default, and then we will add another menu tab. Our second route name is mongo underscore task. Okay, so what we will do here, mongo underscore task, and we will copy the same, but this time in the route name it will be and base route will be the same where I want to display these tabs. If I save it and clear the cache and visit the page, now you can see Mongo collection, but I have made one mistake here, that the title actually. Okay, so first here we can see this will be a Mongo collection, and here we can say add task. Now you can see one is Mongo collection, which is actually representing this listing page, and if I go to add task, here we can add the task. So new task after primary tabs, no description, task is completed, save it, and it will go to our listing page. So you can see this is the last one, new task after primary tabs and no description. So this way it will works. I'm creating regularly videos on Drupal 10 or any version of Drupal. Mostly I'm working on the latest one. I have also created one website where you can visit, and if you see here, I am also posting uh, articles related to Drupal. And please do like my YouTube channel as well as my website. In website also you can subscribe to the notifications, so whenever I po I publish any new article, you will get notified. Thank you.